Yeah.
No man, Russian, that really man, Lord. How we are talking about your teacher, fuck it up to you, that.
Real way.
Yeah, man. I wanna do it like when, you know, like when guys are drop the rhythm them and the melody them and
Far with me, go anywhere far with me. You in the latest, me in
again. But I know.
So, Nation was once about Adrian back in the building with another episode. So, we're not talking about Dancehall get hot again, Nation. When we say hot, we're not talking about the store, we are talking about the rhythm storybook we produced by Russian rhythm, you see me? Tough rhythm. You see me? I say, I'm like this for dancehall, because now dancehall I got actually go back to the base of juggling, as Nuffy say, dancehall the day jail and now dancehall the back of road. But Nation, before we get into anything, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. No man, Russian, that really man, Lord. How we are talking about your teacher, fuck it up to you, that.
Real way.
Yeah, man. I wanna do it like when, you know, like when guys are drop the rhythm them and the melody them and drop, and every man I deal with the rhythm and way, guys. I stop over and take it to them, man. Shine, David, face and this. Shut up, pull it up.
Yeah,
How we
man.
are talking about. Pressing up. Duration. Shut up, cause because pussy wet.
Yeah, I miss your love, I miss your trust. I should have fly the girl out, but alone for fun. I when I be a dead face in a God with trust. So the next day, I can boom we go. And every wine she bust, the champagne jealous. The girl looking at me eyes and I steal my soul. And when she braces up, she make you think it up. Girl, me love that pretty pussy there. I make you fucking on your wall every night. Girl, go dash for the rose of your buy. Your pussy good, I'm sure and I lie. Me know I say you're shy. I'm a big your wings, I make it sure say you fly. Girl, I pussy to your mind, oh. Me addicted to your tight, oh. Then I deal with the rain, can't sleep every night. Yeah, so me go buy.
Nation, wanna tell me what you think about that Javinci and him crew celebrate, even giving props to Vybz Kartel and Russian for the storybook rhythm. I'm like what Russian are doing in a dancehall from the other day. Cause we can see where the rhythm cause a lot of people feel talk about it and talk about the good songs and the rhythm. So come to think about it, I think Russian might be releasing an album soon with these songs. Not sure, I'm just saying based on how he's releasing this rollout and all that with the music.
Rich on, me say it every time. Spend my money on you, cause you fine. Girl, you fine. Me put.
No, we can see where a lot of people are talking about Massacre take the rhythm on no voice and opinion on this. Let me know in the comment box.
Put you in the latest, me in my prime. Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for why. Love it cause you no basic, so you want to shine. Like me in the studio, but you there on my mind. Straight to the top, you know me love you no design. Girl your skin it don't feel me when me come in every.
Well, we have a lot of people on the other and I say, yo, them not like how Vybz Kartel come out of jail and gone back in always a sing about slackness and gyal do this and gyal do that to him. You see me I say, and a lot of people don't have a problem with that because them know say that is a Vybz Kartel. And when they talk about a Vybz Kartel, y'all get stuff like that, y'all get energy like that. And now I say Vybz Kartel not sing about positivity too. But them man they just probably faking our way. So when you tell me what you think in the comment box.
Hey, Russian!
From blood clot yesterday, me I call the phone and you can't answer the phone. Yo, are you really depend? From when me I call you, me not like this. What you deal with? What? Fuck you. Okay.
Gaza bosses I say a lot of man scared to say more. Well, you see me I say cause motherfucker, you must say them thing about it. But you can see a normal thing will happen in a real life where man don't say to them girl. That don't mean say them not love them girl. Them love them girl, but I just how them feel at the same time. But as me say again, that's what make Vybz Kartel a prolific person. You see me? As cause him I go see a bag of things. You see me I say where a lot of people now go and say cause them all care about how people are gonna say or what people are gonna feel about them. And that's what makes this Vybz Kartel track even more enticing to even listen to, cause by end of the day if you listen to the track just show you him start off wicked but he might try show her say you're desperate for your love and them thing there.
It in a gear and rev it like my G-Wagon. I'll take it for a ride. Well, I love you. Last night. And I love you. Last night.
Nation, now we're gonna take a quick listen to the Valiant track on the storybook riddem produced by Russian. Cause me say the juggling and dancehall space get hot again. The dancehall space not normal like when dancehall they are jail, dancehall they are road. No, but we're gonna take a listen to the Valiant. Just leave no opinion in the comment box down below and tell me how I lead in I juggling so far. Cause right now the dancehall space turn up for the summer.
You see a leader. You see when you see me, you see a visionary. You see when you see me, you see a brand.
Nation, now we're going to talk about the event with Vybz Kartel and his fee, where a lot of people are talking about Vybz Kartel fee. Now, Garfield Chen, the co-founder of Sound Chat Radio and Irish Chin, platform, he has this to say about when you can command an amount of money, investor will invest in you for that amount of money, and not everybody is a Vybz Kartel, and not everybody is a Bob Marley, and not everybody is gonna be a Buju Banton. I'm gonna take a listen and tell me what you think in a comment. But
artists can command so much money for a show. It's a great thing to know that one of our artists can, fill up arenas and sell out arenas in minutes and days and weeks, correct? So that is a wonderful thing. But we also have to not lose a sense of reality, knowing that, what Vybz Kartel is able to do, not every artist or most artists in our culture at this time is able to do it, right? So we can't look at what he's able to command and feel like, okay, well, because that money is available and because investors are looking to invest that type of money, we should then ask for more, because it comes down to pulling. Kartel can ask for that money for the simple fact that he's actually allowing promoters to make a profit on the investment, right? So if Kartel is charging, let's round it off at $1 million, right? And he's going into stadiums, and the stadiums are seating 20,000 people, and every section of the stadium costs a different amount of money. So let's say the average ticket cost then will be $350, right? Then I can see why Kartel's team would say, listen, we need $1.2 million to do this particular event, right? I can also see why a promoter would agree, because there is some type of profit there at the end of the day. But if another artist then, who may charge, 60,000, decides that because so much money is being offered to a Vybz Kartel, I'm going to move my booking fee to 100,000, right? Which is probably going to happen. Then you have to look at that artist and say, well, what would be the difference in your pulling power?
But that's a legitimate question that would have to be asked and proven. That's why contracts come about, no? Because if you're going on a car lot to buy a Bentley, you're going to pay a different money than if you're going there to buy a motorbike. And that's not a comparison between artists. I'm just saying, based on who you are in the industry, Sir Garfield, and the kind of audience you command, there are just certain artists who are going to be able to charge $1 million and a promoter don't blink. And then others who is 60 grand or 70 grand or...
From blood clot yesterday, me I call the phone and you can't answer the phone. Yo, are you really there, pan? From when me I call you?
So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.